Let's make some yummy appes today. In a bowl, we'll take some sooji and add dahi to it and some salt and mix it. Now we'll add some water. Give the batter a good mix and let the batter rest for some time. In a kadhai, we'll take some oil. To this we will add some rye, some curry patta, some sesame seeds, some urad dal. Once it starts spluttering, then we'll add our chopped onions to this, and we cook the onions a little bit. To the rested batter, we add our onions. To this, we add our chopped beans and some finely chopped carrots. We add some salt, some red chilli powder, and some haldi to it, and mix it up. Now we're adding some ENO and a little water to activate the ENO. And we'll mix the batter up. Now we heat a Appe pan and add some oil to it. In this we'll spoon the batter. Be careful because the oil may spill. Now we'll cover it up and cook it up. After some time, we'll use a spoon and we'll turn the appes to let them cook from the other side. And there you have it. Enjoy your appes hot with some chutney or some ketchup. Enjoy!